Look at the high speed ended for this guy. He powering off on Mac. He looked up at the bird. Fuck this shit. You got me. They been gave up. How you don't even know they gave up, dumbass. You go wait on them. Hey, whoever homie this is, he dumb as hell. He on the ground laying gas. Look how long he waited for the police to come. Like, what the fuck? Man.